Back up?
No, just leave it the way it is.
Oh, okay.
Y'all, welcome back to Big Head RC tonight. Today we're down here with Danny and Gage, not Gabe, Gage. Danny brought out something different today. I ain't saw this. What is that, Danny?
This is a AX10 Deadbolt. That's pretty much not an AX10 Deadbolt anymore. It's motor on axle, 4-wheel steering.
That's sick right there.
Only thing still deadbolt's the body and the chassis.
And Nathan is with us too. He's right over there. I'm gonna go see what he's got. We're down here with Nathan. Nathan's here today with us. Nathan, tell us what you brought to the game today. What is that?
A little something different. It's a GCM J2 skeleton. Forward mount everything. Batteries in the rear, sitting on some AR44s. Got a set of brand new 4.5 inch sight boggers. We'll see how they do on the rocks today.
All right, well, we'll see you out there.
I see one of my 4.19 PBXs are in the truck, or in the car really. You like the PBXs better than the iron truck? Oh! First rollover of the day.
It'll be all right. Happens the quickest way down, ain't that right, Danny?
That's the fastest way to the bottom.
Fastest way to the bottom. I just like the way that looks. That looks bigger than the one. That's because it's got the wide axles on it.
Yeah. These axles are ridiculous. They're like 2 inches longer than race axles.
I've never tried those clothes like that. But then to be boggers, I never run boggers, man. Especially ones that are already pre-done. These are pre-cut. These come factory this way.
Oh shit. 227 turns.
Yeah.
5,000 mile lipo in the middle.
Everything's low, ain't it?
Ton of, well, the battery's low. All the electronics are up top.
Oh yeah.
Dual ESCs.
I guess you need that for them two motors. Don't you? Oh man, that's like marshmallows.
It's got a hook.
Yeah, it's got a hook.
J Concepts ruptures.
Nice. Can't hide nothing.
catch the other one up high. Put the passenger right here. That way it doesn't slide off. You're done already.
Too far over to the left.
Far over towards you. You need to be up the hill a little more. You got to catch your passenger tire right in here.
Right there.
There you go. Come back straight. Turn towards you just a little bit. Turn towards you and let it climb. There you go. Come back towards me.
Oh, perfect. Perfect.
Killer run. Back.
Give me your radio. Slow everything down. Drive your truck till you get back. The AX10 is leaving the field, gentlemen. TRX4 time.
TRX4 Defender.
Yep.
Oh, reliable.
See if we can break that new axle. That new front axle I just rebuilt.
I've seen that picture.
×2, gentlemen.
That's a good climb.
Look at that. Good Lord. I mean, not exactly. Come at it with that tire on that rock. All right, cut into it there. Straighten up.
Oh, beautiful. Look at that. Yeah, easy. I need to do that. There you go.
Probably that 10-2 right there coming on the hill.
Coming down the hill.
That ain't no 10-2 coming on. I'd rather that break than it mess up my chassis. Look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. Oh, it's all good. There's footage of it too. Come back, turn down the hill some, David.
Yeah, get that front tire kicked out.
There you go. There you go. Drive them off, baby.
Y'all do my coach with me all the time. Coach the top wheel.
This damn climb. Not even the picture. There should be another 5,000 in there. No, there's not another 5,000 in there.
Yeah, you used the 5,000.
You used 5,000 in the AX10 and we didn't take it out, did we?
No. What about the 3,000?
She's wise.
What was this?
No, she's going to do it. Do it something. You're there, bro. Whoa! I'm dodging weed. That baby's pushed off. All right, little Jeep.
Standing back from crawling.
Not exactly the line I wanted, but I got it.
Somewhere. hooked to that front bumper. Here you go, cameraman.
What do you want me to do?
Just hold it on the.
Got some scale recovery going on.
Are you ready to back up?
Yeah, back up a little. You bird nesting, Nathan. I know. Hold on real quick. Go ahead. Go ahead. Back up a
I
little.
need to back up.
No, just leave it the way it is.
Oh, okay.
Driving, Gabe. I thought about putting some straps on in the rear.
Can you feel it wrapped around your soul with no control? You can't breathe when you're drowning underwater. There's so much water. I'll run, I'll hide. Darkness always lies at the end. Can you feel it wrapped around your soul?